Morning, everyone. CoasterJamin Photos here with the whole gang. We are at Lake Compounce today, America's first amusement park. Got some new credits to pick up today. First visit for everyone, so hang out and enjoy your day with us. everybody, CoasterJamin Photos here. The gang's all here as well. Wrapping up the day here at Lake Compounce, where we had a great time, a lot of surprises, and just a really, really pretty park. So we'll start on that end. So, what do you think?
Great. Nice little quiet, but family, chill back, and Boulder Dash is here.
It's true. Gage?
Boulder Dash is amazing. Oh my god. The speed in the front is insane. I definitely would vote for the front over the back. Very great ride. I'm not sure where I'm gonna rank it in wooden coasters yet. I don't know if it's gonna be El Toro, probably not, but great ride and great park. Phobia Fear was really good as well. The airtime was surprising.
Char?
Yeah, love the park. It has like a Knoebels feel for me. I know it's part of a chain and Knoebels is it, but that's what I feel when I come here. Boulder Dash, will agree, is the best ride in the park. You can definitely tell where the retrack is. Hopefully they continue and retrack it all the way around. Wildcat was good. I know they just finished doing that. But more to be desired. I know it's a super old. And what was the other one?
Phobia?
Phobia, yeah. Basically the same as Pesto in layout, but the lack of shoulder straps makes the ride so much better.
Yeah, like a totally different ride, just missing just the crappy restraints. And no seatbelt either.
Yeah.
So my big surprise of this trip was I love Boulder Dash. Boulder Dash is going to be definitely in my top 5, probably in my top 3. I've got to look at my ranking still. Very surprising, extremely rough in the back row, but very tolerable in the back row. The front gives great sense of speed going through the woods and the rocks. And then the new Titan track that they put in the certain spots, you can really tell the difference between one and the other. But yeah, great park. To me, it gives like a Knoebels Kennywood kind of vibe. It is really laid back. The people are a lot nicer here, like guest wise, than we saw at Six Flags yesterday. Just a whole different vibe. Really cool park. Not real sure when we're gonna come back. Maybe for the fall fest if we feel like driving all the way back up so we can get Boulder Dash night ride. Hold on. Nicely interrupted by Wildcat. So yeah, they only run Boulder Dash at night during the Halloween event, so I might look into doing that. But yeah, not sure what's next on the schedule, but thanks for being here, and I hope you guys had a good day like we did, and we'll see you later.